All right. This trade review is for today, Tuesday, May 16th. It was a rough one today. This is not correct. I don't know what this is showing or why it's showing that, but and this won't update correctly, but bad day, down like 6K today. It was not cool. I opened up real big and I probably should have stayed away. But I kept trading, and then I got hit real hard in SPY and revenge traded, over traded. We'll take a look at it. Good lessons to learn. Unfortunately, gotta have red days though. Okay, so let's see, watch this, and we'll look at the first one we sold was the Amazon. So this is the swing. They worked out really well overnight. Sold early, honestly, on this. So I sold at 934. In this rip up candle here, I sold 70 of my 80, and then I sold another 9 at 948, which was in here. I learned something today though, listening to the J Dunn podcast with Wolf, and Wolf when he has big runners like this, he holds them as long as they stay strong above the 21 and the 9, which makes total sense. In here I could have, my final Amazon sell, which is like, I don't know where that is, in here 280 was like just shy of 100%. So imagine if they all had gone 100%, but it is what it is. Hopefully learning from today. Tesla didn't work out. I sold that, these 170s, and then of course, after I sell down here, cutting my losses, it rips. And I could have gone big on that Tesla lotto, but it's okay. Okay, so then Amazon sell. Okay, so then I get smoked on SPY right out the gate here. This one was rough. So I buy it 949, which we ripped up here, and mind the 5 minute, yeah. So I buy at the end of this candle, looking for continuation to break this range in here of 412.70, and was it 49, right? Let's see, 49, yeah. And then instantly a 50, we rejected hard straight down here, and so then I got right out, but it was so quick, that drop, and smoked me. So I got out there for a loss, and then that was big, and at that point then that's where the spiral started happening. Then I bought 125 and sold right here, right at 70 and 71, so that's like the only green. It was barely anything. 54 and 10, but if you look, if I bought this at 954, so I got right back in and out, and then I saw us come down here, and then I was out at 10. So I there's no good reason for me to have tried. I guess maybe I tried to test off of the VWAP 54. Yeah, I could have gone for a test off the VWAP. I wonder the 1 minute what the 54 candle was. Which candle was it? SPY was just chopped sideways today. It was a mess. Like, it was just trading SPY was rough today. Yeah, you can see. So 58, 54. I don't know what I was doing here. It was just not good today. So back on the 5. Let's go back to today. 54, somewhere in this candle. Okay, then I was out 10 flat, so right there, boom, I'm gone, I'm done. So 54 was the bottom, so I tried to catch the bottom, and I was out right away. Then I tried a Tesla put, because I got rejected on these. I sold out, and I thought, well, we're gonna keep going lower on Tesla. The daily had broken my channel, and opened up below the 2 days in a row below the 21, and so I'm thinking, well, that's that. And, we're bear flagging coming down. So I went for that and got smoked. Unfortunately. Boom, we shot right up. I got out. Big loss there. Sold my last Amazon call at that point. Then, let's see, why would it let me move this? Move this down here and just work it this way. Let's see, Amazon. Look at all those stupid SPY trades. Where's Amazon? SPY, Lulu, Amazon. Okay. So this is my last Amazon sell. And then I bought 20 contracts of Lulu, swinging it at 1048. It's right in here. This one I like. So we're coming up and we're testing above the 21 for the first time all day. Starting to see some strength and some more volume come in. I guess volume wasn't that high, but yeah. So I liked the cross on here, and I enjoy trading Lulu, and I watch those contracts, and I swing them a lot for when they're really cheap. So it was cheap, got in at 218. I'm swinging those overnight. Then I buying SPY at 62 and 58 and selling at 48, trying to average like in another 100. Like this, just dumb. But let's look at it. All right, it's just sideways chop. Shouldn't have traded it, but no, I would put it down and see something open up and be like, oh, I should trade that, and yeah, no. 48. Like I didn't wait long at all to get back into some of these. Frustrating. So this here on this candle, somewhere in there, 48, and then I'm buying again. I see 62, 48. I'm buying at 1133, so I probably went no, I did go green here twice, and then okay, so here was the big problem. I went green 10 or 15% on a lot of these and should have sold, but my greed, because I want to make back the losses from the getting smoked on Tesla and getting smoked on SPY previously, I'm like, oh no, I want a 20-30% runner to make those back. If I had every trade that it had been up taking 10 or 15%, I would have made it back, but instead I'm looking for this massive runner. So greed got me for sure, unfortunately. And then let's see, so 48, 1048, yeah, look, like 1133. Look at all these opportunities I would have had to sell at this top of this candle, and then in here I sold, and then we launch up, of course. No, 1033, so I could have sold in here, and instead I'm buying more, just because my theta decay is destroying me, because the chop is so gnarly, and we're below the VWAP at this point too. So it's just not healthy. Sell. I'm buying again at 38, selling at 28. I gotta quit beating myself up, but I mean, 38, like that's what I wait 10 minutes tops. So I buy in this candle in here, 38, we get smoked. I'm out at 28, at 45. Yeah, so the next candle, diamond at 68, out at 50. Ooh. 1206. 1206. So this one would have been this candle here, somewhere in there. 1206, and I'm out at 1222 for a loss. Would have been this candle in here. No, sorry, this candle, sensitive. Lost there, and then we're in 26 and out. 20. No, 26. I averaged down 20. I sold all at 22. So yeah, that was my day. Pretty garbage. I woke up early, looked at pre-market, did the whole spiel, thinking, man, today's gonna be good, and it was not. So that's 2 Tuesdays in a row, I believe, that I've taken red days. Let's see. 16th and the 9th. Yep, the 9th I took a bigger loss too. And then the next day I rebounded huge, 16K. So we'll see what happens with these Lulu swings. Where's Lulu? After hours, you didn't do much. I still do like the daily on this though. came back up, tested off this level, this 365.12, just shy of that. Lulu has room to go. I mean, it really does. This is just a little bit of consolidation, I think, here from this double top, and then we could see high into the 400s again. I don't see why not. Has potential to. SPY is just freaking chopped, dude. That's it. Like this wedgeception continues to play out. We're just outside of my wedge that I drew in yesterday. If we take candle wicks instead of bottoms, right? Oops, no. Like that-ish. Yep. Whatever. You know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, it just sucks. So I don't know where this 5 minute was that I moved around. Where was that? Because I had some key levels in today that were actually pretty decent. Oh, this is probably it. Yeah. 4998. I mean, that's textbook. Right here. I thought about playing SPX at the end, right, to catch like the last 20-minute move, but I couldn't because work, and I'm actually glad that I didn't, because I would have probably tried to revenge trade that sucker too. It would have been rough. So tomorrow I'm gonna be smart. Let those runners run if they're above the 9. I mean, so Amazon is a perfect example of that, right? We looked at this. I sold like in here and then somewhere in here on this pullback, thinking, okay, this is it. When at multiple points in the day, these were the one runner I left was well over 100%. I think it got up to like 143% or something. If I had kept all of those at 143%, and then here's the first candle close all day below the 21, then I'm selling, right? Or like even this double top and sell up here. I'm selling everything for way bigger. So I let my runners run. Gotta let my runners run for sure. With bigger size, and if I have rules like that to use the indicators to let them run, then that helps me be able to be more comfortable with leaving more on the table to run and increase profits. So tomorrow I think we're just gonna, hopefully we break out, but I think we're just gonna keep chopping. 411 baby. Huge day out of Nvidia though. AMD. My long-term paper trade, like the big invest paper trade account's killing it. Anyways, that's what I got. Tomorrow's gonna be better. Learn from the mistakes. Move forward. Gotta have red days to have green. GG's.